Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
BBC News Business. August 22. 11:16 America New York, British Airways to cut 10,000 Heathrow flights. The cancellations are aimed at minimizing disruption to flights over the winter.
Global economy.
August 22, 10:48 America New York. UK economy shrunk more than previously estimated in 2020, says ONS. Revision by official statisticians means GDP could still be lower than in 2019, before the pandemic hit.
Daily FX market news.
August 22, 10:35 America New York, Euro price action setups, EUR, USD persistence, EUR, JPY resistance. Euro bears are giving it another go, pushing EUR/USD back below the parity handle. The big question now is how far they can drive the pair.
New York Times Business.
August 22, 9:44 America New York, McDonald's shakes up its board. The fast food chain has wrestled with some shareholders and franchisees, as it faces the effects of inflation and weak economic growth. One long-serving board member at McDonald's is retiring, with 3 new directors joining.
Marginal revolution.
August 22, 9:43 America New York, a new reason to shut down the internet. As candidates are set to appear for a major recruitment exam in Assam to fill 27,000 government posts in various departments, the state government has suspended mobile internet services around examination centers during the hours of the exam to prevent candidates from cheating.
New York Times Business.
August 22, 8:33 America New York, drought hurts China's economy as central bank cuts rates. Sichuan's many dams cannot generate enough electricity even for its own needs, forcing factories there to close for up to a week at a time.
BBC News Business. August 22, 8:33 America New York, UK inflation could hit 18% next year, Citi warns. Citi forecasts that without government support typical energy bills could hit £3,717 in October.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
August 22, 8:31 America New York. Toyota commercial truck unit Hino faces emissions data scandal. Akio Toyoda, the head of Toyota, calls it a betrayal after the truck maker acknowledged problems dating back 2 decades.
New York Times Business.
August 22, 8:23 America New York, rare earth supplier turns to Greenland to cut reliance on Russia. Neo Performance Materials of Canada announced a deal to begin mining in Greenland for the metals, which are a key component for electric cars. Greenland has a lot of the minerals necessary for electric cars, wind turbines and other green technology.
BBC News Business.
August 22, 8:20 America New York, PlayStation sued for £5 billion in the UK over rip-off games. The gaming firm is accused of using its market dominance to impose extra charges and drive up prices.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
August 22, 7:48 America New York, how Occidental Petroleum captured Warren Buffett's eye. The best performing stock in the S&P 500 this year, oil and gas producer Occidental Petroleum is a newfound favorite of the veteran investor.
Global economy.
August 22, 7:30 America New York, car subsidies deliver electric shock to US-EU trade relations. Brussels sees climate change as an existential threat, but Joe Biden wants to prioritize jobs.
Daily FX market news.
August 22, 7:29 America New York, DAX under pressure, FTSE resilient as risk assets start the week on the back foot. European indexes began the week on the back foot as risk appetite waned. Firmer US dollar indicative of investor caution in global markets.
Marginal revolution.
August 22, 7:20 America New York, investing in infants. We provide new evidence that cash transfers following the birth of a first child can have large and long-lasting effects on that child's outcomes. We take advantage of the January 1 birthdate cutoff for U.S.
Daily FX market news.
August 22, 6:35 America New York, S&P 500 price update. U.S. equities sell off ahead of Jackson Hole, PCE data. The S&P 500 dropped from the recent high as Fed speakers reaffirmed the appetite for more hikes, bolstering the dollar. PCE data in focus after cooler CPI earlier this month.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. August 22. 6:03 America, New York. Deep-sea mining is close to reality despite environmental concerns. Companies could start mining the ocean floor for metals used to make electric vehicle batteries within the next year.
Global economy.
August 22. 6 o'clock America, New York. The truth is that schools do little to reduce inequality. Education cannot compensate for the failure to implement redistributive social policies.
Digital finance.
August 22. 5:31 America, New York. How ZA Bank is doing virtual wealth and insurance. The virtual bank is taking a supermarket approach to introducing wealth management services. The post How ZA Bank is doing virtual wealth and insurance appeared first on Digital Finance.
Marginal revolution.
August 22. 050 America, New York. The Marriage Portrait. A novel. Due out September 6 in the United States. I loved Hamnet and so have pre-ordered. Here is, gated, Times of London coverage. The post The Marriage Portrait. A novel appeared first on Marginal Revolution.